Hello. I'm going to show you the new feature that deals with the dynamic hold list. Okay. With the dynamic hold list, we are going to use the information that we have been loading into the database as call list. Okay. And the first thing is that every user must assign their call list to a lane in both geographic terms and temporal terms. Let's see this with an example. Okay, we go now to call list. Okay, and let's filter this with mine list. Okay, so you are going to let's say you pick this one, Newcastle, Chicago. Okay, because this list does not have any scope assigned to it the first time, and this is applicable for existing list. Every new list you will have to assign a scope to it once you create. Okay, otherwise it will keep asking you about the necessity of assigning the scope to the list. So it says there is no scope associated to the call list. Would you like to define one now? We say yes, and this new dialog appears in which you can enter the lane. Okay, the lane can be a city and a state or a region. Okay, in both the from and to. For example, this particular is from Newcastle, okay, to Chicago. All right. The time frame is going to be relative. That means that it will be floating. Okay. For the purpose of this explanation, we are going to leave those at open. That means that it will match every it will match every date out there. Okay, but you can select season. Okay, the month of the year this particular list is applicable, the day of the week. Okay, you can say obviously more than one. Okay, you can say, for example, in the summer. Okay, or you can pick a particular set of subset of the date of the month, or the number, the first week, second week, third week, fourth week, with odd days and even days, working days, and so on. Okay. For this example, let's leave it like this, and then you update it, and now you have the scope is associated with the lane.